Wemwega, Pohoro waku. Welcome or welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. Today I am going to teach you nature terms. How do we call things like forests in Kikuyu or rivers? And as you can see from my face, I am so excited because I know a lot of people may not know what we call these things in Kikuyu language. Just a reminder, I do teach this language, so if you'd like to be fluent, you can always reach me through this email address. And don't forget to share this video and make sure that whoever you're sharing it with subscribes to this channel, because I'm sure as these videos have helped you, so they will help them. I'm going to start with a forest. A forest we call motito. Motito. When they are many, we say metito. 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 Motito. Metito. That's a forest. So there's a difference between a forest and a bush, right? A bush, we call it yedaka. 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 I know that is a bit confusing because the word daka in Kikuyu as an adjective will mean beautiful. So yedaka would actually mean like something very beautiful. So a bush is yedaka. Yedaka. A forest is motito or metito. Number 2, we have a river. A river, by the way, I love rivers. A river is called roe, 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 and rivers are called joe, joe. Number 4 is a waterfall. A waterfall is called durumo, durumo, and I guess some other people can say kerurumo, kerurumo. So we have durumo or kerurumo, which is also okay. So we have a sea or an ocean. We have the same name for these two, sea and ocean. We call them iria, iria, iria. And when there are many, we call them dia, dia. A swamp is rorie, rorie, rorie. Rain is bura, bura, bura. Let me teach you a song by about the rain that we used to sing when we were young, and I find myself singing this song every time there's rain because I also love rain so much. I love rain, I love rivers. I guess I just love water from nature. So the song goes like this: Bura ura urai, torie makogo woi, na maria mage, toikienda nyujure. Bura ura urai, torie makogo woi, na maria mage, toikienda nyujure. Makogogo it's a tree that is called mokogogo. Has actually a very nice smell, so the leaves we call them makogogo, or I think the fruits that come from that New Year is also called makogogo. So we're saying rain, 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 or rain come come, so that we can eat those fruits or those leaves, and then the other one you just throw them at the back of the house. Okay, I hope you remember that song the next time there's rain. A rainbow is mokoga bura, mokoga bura. That's what we call a rainbow, mokoga bura. The moon is called mweri, mweri, mweri. Mweri means date also. Mweri means month. So mweri in Kikuyu is date, is month, and is also the moon. So the moon, we call it mweri. Mweri. We call the sun Riowa. 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 So when it's sunny, we say kwena Riowa. Kwena Riowa, or kwara Riowa. Kwara Riowa. Next is the stars. We call the stars Jata. 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 These words are just so beautiful. Imagine Riowa, Mweri, Jata. They're just very beautiful names. Oh, I just love these names. Next we have the clouds. The clouds are called Matu. Matu. A thunderstorm is called Kirurume. Kirurume. When there are many, we say Marurume or Irurume. So anything to do with Rurume, Rurume is thunderstorm. So Kerurume, Marurume, Irurume. Okay. A lightning is called Roheni. 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 So if you were ever at an event where people say Karoheni, you know, Karoheni is just like you just clap once and move on. So they say Karoheni, they actually mean a lightning. So Roheni is lightning. Roheni. A mountain is called Kerema. Kerema. Same as a hill, we'll call a hill Kerema or Karima, but a mountain is called Kerema. Kerema. When there are many, we say Irema. Irema. Valleys are called Mekuru. Mekuru. So one of them will be Mokuru. Mokuru. So you have Mokuru and the plural is Mekuru. So we actually have this song, up the mountain, down the valleys, on the land. So we sing in Kikuyu, Ire maine, Mekuru ine. So Ire maine, up the mountain, Mekuru ine, down the valleys. Yes. A desert in Kikuyu is called Wero. 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 So in the desert we say Weroine. Weroine. A desert. Wero. Wero. I hope you're finding these terms as beautiful as I am, because I feel like they're super beautiful. Wero. Jata. Then we have caves. Caves are called Guruga. 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 What other nature terms do we have? Do you have a request? Please just write them in the comment section. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something new. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Tigwawega.